What is this in my water?
So, the average person eats about 5 grams of plastic every week. That is the equivalent of a credit card. These types of plastics affect multiple environments: lakes, forests, jungles, everything you can name of. So our team aims to fix that. So we are trying to find a way to address and monitor the increase in microplastics within the lakes of the Okanagan region for future generations. As we delved deeper into finding a solution, we sat down and thought extensively about how to help clean up our aquatic environments. Through several detailed analysis and brainstorming processes, we have arrived at a solution, one that would benefit not only the residents around the lake, but also the marine life within, leaving things undisturbed while cleaning up the microplastics floating around. Introducing the dock-mounted filter.
This image above showcases the model of our dock-mounted microplastic filter. This filter uses a simple yet effective design that can be easily attached to any of the docks along the lake. This design would include a pump that would bring water into the filter, where it would then be put back to the water or whatever the owner subjects it to. The filter would be accessible from a panel on the top, where it could then be cleaned or replaced with a new filter. We created a very basic prototype that would showcase approximately what would happen if this filter was placed underwater. The water would be carried into the filter using the pump. This is shown here with a Coke bottle and a simple filter and tubes. Once this water is brought up to the filter through the pump, it would then meet our carbon microplastics filters that would rigorously clean the water, removing all microplastics. It is then here where it would be sent back into the water all nice and clean.
So, how did you guys at Okanagan Plastic Solutions come up with this genius idea?
Well, during our detailed analysis of solutions, through several series of trial and error and different solutions, our conclusion was that the dock-mounted filter was the best due to the fact that it would be the most effective and have low maintenance for a still body of water. To arrive at this solution, we first went through current solutions and realized that a fine mesh filter, one that could trap microplastics, would be the best way around this problem. The dock pump acts as a filter to move water through pipes and filter out the plastics. This design allows for a non-intrusive work around the environment and homeowners.
And were there any other ideas you guys went through and worked around before you came to this conclusion?
Well, we considered a solar-powered surface skimmer as well as a wind-powered wall filter, but we decided on this dock-mounted water filter as it targeted water right by human activity, which is where plastics are entering the water. Now, at first we thought this project was not going to be efficient enough, since the Okanagan is just an immense still body of water. So we thought, how could we solve this? What if we could have a number of filters in the lake, as if a filter on each dock? So if we could get each of these filters on every dock, our water would be much cleaner.
And our project not only will be great for the environment, but also generate us great profit as a business. It will generate us approximately $214,000 over 5 years according to our CBA, which proves that this is a great project that aims on saving our waters.
As the activity in the Okanagan Lake goes up day by day, the pollution levels in our ecosystems also increase. Because of this, groups like the Okanagan Plastic Solutions are actively working on ways to minimize and reduce the amount of microplastics within our environment. Us as humans should come together to help protect the marine life within the lake and to preserve it for years to come.